This tutorial will help you on how to find Bitcoin on CashApp Mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up the CashApp application on your smartphone device. Once opened up and loaded, go to the middle hand screen and click the magnifying glass icon. In this case, in order to find or locate Bitcoin, there's a couple things you can do. Underneath the Discover tab, click the search bar and then type in Bitcoin. All one word, no spaces. This is how you can successfully click or find Bitcoin underneath results. As you can see, this is the price of Bitcoin underneath the daily chart, the weekly, the monthly, or the yearly, or the all-time historical chart. As you click on the screen, as you can see, the current price of Bitcoin is $102,000. You can even scroll down. You can buy, sell, or transfer or receive Bitcoin. You can even view your performance, auto invest, etc. completely for free.